Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you is our January kit reveals. We are starting a brand new year. Welcome to 2022. Hopefully everyone had a safe and happy and fun holiday. We're here today to reveal our January kits. We are kicking off the new year with some fun kits. And as always, you can find our kits on our website at www.treasurelikits.com. And as you know, we have 3 monthly kits that you can subscribe to. You can subscribe to one or a combination or all. And we also do our own laser cut chipboard that is featured in all of our kits. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right on into our scrapbook kit. Right now, if you've ever seen any of our kits or if you've ever received any of our kits, you know that we're all about the flowers in our kits. So first up, we've got this pack of blue flowers. Really pretty. I like the blue. It kind of reminds me of wintertime, a little frosty-ish. And you've got 14 flowers in here. These are by Prima. Next up, you've got some, I think they call these ivory. And these flowers are from 49 and Market. They look a little yellow on camera. They're a little whiter in person. And then our last pack of flowers are also from Prima Marketing. And you've got 8 pieces in here. And this is a mix of green and white. Almost like a mint green. Again, another one that reminds me of winter with the colors. You've also got these 2 little fun charms in here as well. And this one's got like the green ball on it. And this one's got a, I'm sorry, that's a blue ball, not green. And this one has got a middle metal charm on it. So you've got these 2 little charms. And you've got some shabby chic treasures. You've got some birds. I always did like these. I wish these were around more, or at least the rest of the ones from this line were around. These are probably the last of these that you'll see. And you've got some chipboard from the store. I will link directly the sets that we're using, but you've got 2 pieces here. And then you've got another 2 pieces. You've got another border set. I love the border set, but I really like these 2 pieces because with these, I feel like you get more for your money. You can cut these up into pieces and use them in more places. Like I'd cut it here and I'd have 2 pieces. And actually, so you'd actually have 4 pieces. Now let's get into these papers. We have international papers from Paper Heaven, and this line is called A Walk in the Clouds. Really pretty blues and greens. I look at this and I think winter, so I figured this would be really nice for January for those of us who are having a winter right now. So you've got 6 double-sided sheets. And how pretty is that? The pretty white flowers and the tracks, the texture in it. It just reminds me of winter. Here's the back side of it. You've got a nice little print there. Our second sheet, just so pretty. And there's a nice little watercolor sheet on the back. It reminds me of the clouds. This sheet is a greenish blue sheet, almost like that mint green in our flowers. And here's our back side, another blue sheet. Here's this one's just so full of flowers. Really pretty. You could fussy cut this one if you want it. You've got some big enough flowers in here that you could fussy cut this or use it as is. And there's a nice little back side. Now, doesn't that remind you of snowfall? It's another sheet of green leaves. And on the back side, you've got a nice textured sheet there. In your last sheet, nice little green ivy here. And you've got like a little bluish lace pattern on the back. And if I'm not mistaken, check the store. We've got some ivy leaves that'll go perfectly with this too. So if you're going to pick up the kit, might as well pick up some extra chipboard while you're at it. So this is our January scrapbook kit. And you will get all this. This kit is $52 and it does include shipping. And there's still some available in the store because it's reveal day now, and that means that the kits have been revealed. Subscribers have theirs. Whatever's left in the store. But if you don't want to have to wait until reveal day, make sure you subscribe now so that you can get your kit before it's revealed, and then you don't have to worry about whether or not there's anything left. Next up will be our cards, tags, and more kit. Okay, so our cards, tags, and more kit, it's a little bit different. You can make cards with it. You can make tags with it. You can make mini albums with it. It's for those that like to craft with a smaller canvas, I would say, or who likes to make small projects. So that's what our cards, tags, and more kit is, and that's why it's named Cards, Tags, and More. Again, you can find this in the store. Our website's www.treasureleekids.com. First up, you're going to get a pair of chipboard butterflies. And these are in the store. They will also be linked down below. And you're going to get some more resins. So you're going to get these little 4-piece resins. You're going to get a pack of white flowers with some smaller leaves. And these are smaller flowers because, again, this is a smaller project. And you've got 28 pieces in here between your flowers and your leaves. You're also going to get these 4 black chipboard squares. They're actually for a mini album. I did not put any holes in these for binding because I'm not sure how you want to bind it, if you want to do holes and ribbon or if you've got your own binding system, but you can make a nice little mini album with these. You've got a nice cover, a nice back, and then you can do a couple little pages on the inside, front and back. Just a nice little small mini album. So you've got that. You're also going to get some layered stickers. These are from Simply Stories, and this is from their Simple Vintage Weathered Garden. Figured this would be nice as a nice little winter project. You're also going to get these little cutouts that we got when I ordered the paper, and so they're included in the kit. And just some little sentiments, learn to fly, you are my happiness, be brave, give me your mind. Figured they went nicely with this paper and they'd be nice to use in a mini album. You're also going to get a 6x8 paper pad. There's 24 sheets in here. And this is perfect for creating your little mini album. So you've got that. And these are double-sided as well. How pretty are these? These are so, so pretty. And you've got some sayings on here. The butterflies. I love the more muted colors. Humbled and grateful. It's really nice. And then you've also going to get these cards in there too. So you can also use these in your mini album as well. And there's your second set. And then you're back to another set of papers. So you're getting 2 of each sheet of paper. And then at the end, you're getting 2 of also those cards. And then also to go along with that, you're going to get this cardstock sticker sheet, which is really nice. You've got I love tickets, and then you've got some little sayings. You've got some more little sayings here. You've got all these little embellishments that you can layer and make these 3D. So this is our cards, tags, and more kit. And this kit retails for $42. Again, that includes shipping. You can find it on our website at www.treasurelykids.com. And make sure while you're here that you don't forget to hit the like button on this video and hit the subscribe and then hit the little notification bell so you're notified when we upload videos. Our designers upload videos using all the kits so that when you purchase a kit, you can always go look to see what we did for inspiration. Our kits are put together so that you can use your own creativity. We design with them to inspire you, and if you'd like to copy that, that's fine, but we just don't give you any written instructions. Next up is going to be our mixed media kit. If you've never gotten our mixed media kit, what that is we give you a kit with mediums, and it also comes with a project. So this is a standalone kit that you can use right out of the box. You don't need anything else to go with it, although whatever you have in your stash would be nice, but you can actually create a project with what we give you. Now, let's get into what's in here. First off, we've got a template or mask from Kaisercraft. This one is called Arc. So you get some arcs or arches in it. It just says arc, but I would say arches. So you can make some arches with this. You're also going to, and this might give away what's in here, you're going to get 2 watercolor brush pens. You're going to get some alterable flowers from Prima. There's 4 in the package, and when they say alterable, these flowers are fabric, which means that they can take mist, or they can take watercolor, or anything. So you can alter them. This is the base color, but you can turn them into any color you want. Next up, you're going to get a 8x8 watercolor panel. This is for using watercolors. You can watercolor on this. You can use any other mediums you'd like on this. But basically, you can watercolor on it. You can draw a design and then paint in your design. And to go with this, you are going to get a full package of premium gouache colors. And these are kind of like paints, but you can use them as watercolors too. So you're going to get this full pack. And it tells you all the colors on the back, but you're going to get this full pack, and there will be a video using these, explaining how to use these, but we figured we'd do something a little bit different with our mixed medium kit this month. So those are going to be the mediums that you're going to get, and everything inside. You can use these on your flowers. Use them on your watercolor board. You can use them on anything, and these will last you a very, very, very long time because you don't need a whole lot to start off with, especially if you're using them as watercolors. You can use them as paints if you like, but our idea is to use these with watercolors, as watercolors. So again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified when the video goes up using these. So this has been our mixed media kit. This one retails for $47. Yes, that includes shipping. And again, visit our website at www.treasurelykids.com. And these have been our 3 kits for January. Thank you for stopping by. And again, make sure you come back or visit us at our website. Bye.